Databox Business Analytics Pricing explained what you get for your money. Databox is a platform built to simplify business analytics and reporting. Most people assume it's just a dashboard tool, but here's the truth. The business plan is designed for companies that need real-time performance tracking, automated reporting, and integration with multiple data sources. Pricing starts at per month for teams and scales based on users and data sources. The plan includes unlimited dashboards, integrations with tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, Google Analytics, and social media platforms, and automated reporting via email or Slack. Databox Business lets teams track key metrics in real time. For example, a marketing team can monitor website traffic, ad spend, and lead conversions in one central dashboard, while a sales team can see pipeline updates and goal progress without switching between tools. Goal tracking and alerts help teams stay on target and act quickly if performance dips. Additional features include custom metrics, advanced visualizations, collaboration tools, and priority support. Users can also share dashboards externally or embed them into websites or presentations. In conclusion, Databox Business Analytics Pricing reflects a platform built for teams that want centralized, real-time insights. For businesses aiming to monitor performance, make fast decisions, and align teams around data, this plan provides an accessible yet powerful solution.